Are you tired of the hassle when it comes to paying for your favorite shows on Disney Plus? Maybe you're tired, but you couldn't figure out how to pay using Gcash. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're going to solve that problem together. So let's dive in. First, make sure that your Gcash account is ready. You can do this by downloading the Gcash app and verifying your account. Second, check your Disney Plus subscription settings and make sure that you have access to your billing details. Third, you log into your Gcash app and you're going to tap on the Pay Bills option. Pay Bills. That option. Choose Disney Plus from the list and then input your details. Fourth, if Disney Plus isn't listed, you can simply pay using a virtual credit card in Gcash. Lastly, once payment is confirmed, you're all set to enjoy your favorite Disney shows and movies. It's that easy. So now don't wait, get your Disney Plus now and enjoy endless entertainment. Like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.